This one how much? How much will you say the basket of this?
1,000.
For one basket?
12.
For you, I take the seller now, I go take you.
4-5.
It's no longer news that prices of food, everything has gone up. In this video guys, today I'm going to be taking you to Warri Sapele Road Market. This is one of the biggest markets where you can get your wholesale foodstuffs, vegetables.
Where would they go now? If I see POS, I beg, I want to use POS.
If you are looking for a place to shop for your fresh food, fresh vegetables, this market is for you. They have different assorted kinds of fruits and vegetables like cucumber, cabbage, fresh tomatoes, onions. You can get onions in bags here and they are very affordable guys. Now guys, let's go and shop since I've gotten the money. POS I'm looking for. Honestly, this is the second time I'm coming to this market to get some stuff, and I'm really impressed. They have some fresh vegetables. So people that are into retailing, you want to come and start your own fresh food vegetables, salad, things, everything, you can see them here. You can come here and shop for the items that you want to resell. This market is very huge and very massive. You can get different kinds of things, no matter the quantity, no matter the amount of money that you have, you can get something from this particular market guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly find time right now to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you like this video. It's your baby girl Ebys'Lady on the beat guys. Now let's go go do some shopping here.
This one how much?
800.
1,000.
Okay, you say 1,000.
Nah, rain don't show.
Anyway, when I buy, you heavy me, I drop and there.
Which one you say me give me that one? Madam, how much be the fare? How you take?
Is she giving you change?
No.
Woman!
800, they okay. Let we go test them. I never even test them self. How much you share the egg? Got the egg now, how much?
500.
Now me the last. I just say market here, you go price. Here, no do the price. Come on something, because I beg.
I want to allocate when I'm going to sell it.
Come on something. Man,
You just say I
come on something, man, collect them.
This is there. This number is I want for. Tonight, the way you go say, I don't trust everybody. It's trust you now.
Man, give you 400.
So why you not play? Somebody was saying, everybody not the same thing. I not try how much I want to pay for each side. You not there here. If you tell me say my wedding load for you, as I tell the seller now, I go take one for you. All those things they drop us.
Nah, the Cooper come full everywhere.
And when the full everywhere, and here they come by.
Yeah.
They come by. They can't say one for you for 200 now.
Mama, you know me na business now. If they lie, make they sell at 1 million for me.
So, I'm very sorry. Now the man went down.
How much be the carrots?
1,000.
Nah, that's I go cook rice next time.
Wait, see.
What be that?
Yeah, they come buy pineapple and
Watermelon. That woman where they come.
Some of my friends are selling me this one.
For here.
See your package.
Just say no be abi. My buy black. Attachment.
With the nah, salmon. 5. A fruit market is. How much now?
Okay, what?
9,000. 9,000.
Is that 9,000?
4,500.
Mm.
Even the heads are 3,500.
I don't want it.
Yes.
I go buy gold.
So, would they buy? You see this gold what you are talking about? 58,000 with that. This one is 58. Before the workmanship is another.
Ideal.
Idea when you say and go to the 120. So the person go to buy more.
I don't know then they sell tomatoes in basket.
And right now we are heading to the onions part. Onions is not smiling right now. Onions is not your friend right now. But we need onions because of the health benefits. And it also makes our food to be very, very sweet and very, very interesting. I love onions in my food. And right now, these ones displayed on the floor, they are sold for 1,000 naira. And a bag of onions right now here costs about 10, 40 to like 50k to get a bag of onions. And these ones displayed in the bucket are sold for 5,000 naira. There are some they even displayed for like 12,000 naira. And sometimes if you don't have money to get a bag, if you're into onions business, you can actually find somebody and share the bag with. It's not necessary that you must buy this big bag. If you don't have money to buy it, you can call on people and you guys can share a bag. This one's displayed on the floor, like I told you, is sold for 1,000 naira. So there's a big, huge business going on here right now. If you're interested in coming to this market to start your own onions business, I mentioned in my previous video that if you want to start foodstuff business, for foodstuff business to start and make some money, onions business is one of that business that I mentioned, and it's a good one because every household needs onions. It's to cook their food, and you can see it here is a very huge business, guys. Transporting these items, the logistics are one of the challenges and problems that the business owners are facing right now. Because after all the expenses, overhead costs, and when you calculate your market, you need to see your profits. That is why most of
Are
these
they your back
items
now?
are so expensive.
Straight now.
All
Eh,
right,
they
now
come
we are
back, they
going to
follow
the
you come back.
king, the tomatoes. Previous months, people couldn't even see tomatoes. Tomatoes was sold for 5 pieces. You can even get it for 2,000 naira. So, but right now, we thank God that it's been able to come down and come down a bit better than before.
I go price and be
Currently, the price of tomatoes biggest bag basket is going for 40,000 naira in this market, and the half basket is going for 20,000 naira, and the medium is going for like 30,000 naira. The small basket is going for 2,500, and the one displayed on that floor. So I think it's affordable right now, unlike before, but it's still expensive. We still need it to still come down a bit. So guys, we bought few tomatoes here right now. This is where the sellers, like this particular basket, is sold for 20,000 naira. As you can see, if you want to go into wholesale, retail, you want to go do your events, parties, this is the market you can come and shop for these particular items in Warri, and is affordable. You can even hear the sellers asking who wants share, who wants share. It means who wants to share. So even if you don't want to buy all the whole basket, you can find and pair who wants to share. And even will divide it and share and pay for your tomatoes. That's how it's done here. If you don't have money to pay for food pack, you can see someone that you can share the item with.
Not be 20.
No. 5,000. Down 2,500.
Give me 1,500.
20,000 more go to now. 20,000. Got it.
Last thing this type even food for market. Those normal ones. That one I want. This one they know they big. For how much?
This one. Go down. This one. 2,000.
I tell you 1,500.
It's rainy season in Nigeria, so most of the fresh fruits are in season right now. As you can see, tomatoes are not in season, but you will definitely see them. Onions, you will definitely see them. Cucumber, you will definitely see them. Pineapple, you will see them. Oranges are gotten in this market. Your garlic, your ginger, name it, anything that you want. Fresh okra, we are here. This is also a good season for fresh okra, and you will get it. No matter the quantity that you are looking for, you are going to get it in this market.
Where 500 around? 500. Yeah, in there. Nah, hot for small. There's no difference. The one why even buy this thing. How do you sell this? 1,000. 9 minutes last. You said this one how much? I don't know. I said I don't go buy you. This market they don't price anything. Just stop. This is a supermarket.
Supermarket. Ends the top. That ends the story.
Yes?
Between 900 and 1,200. You go more 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. This one 1,000.
It's just a person who will buy somebody food. Not that somebody sweet for egusi and okra.
See now this one they buy.
Cameroon. If you use Cameroon to prepare.
I know they buy okra. All the
Which one be the Cameroon?
Enter here.
This concern me and Cameroon and
I
Nigeria.
don't know. Now Nigeria.
This one I went in Nigeria. Somebody sweet for egusi soup. I noticed that. And okra soup. God who made You don't notice that? Ah. Okay. Oh. The thing they break. They break. The okra they break.
Hello, madam. Money for that one now.
Give me 2 now. Ah, they go and beg.
As you cook and stew, so you got this small stuff what I mean like smoking.
Okay, now 1,000. This one 2,000. Say this one how much?
Give me the shamba bag now. They go. Which one is it now? 1,000. This one Give me 1,000. Fresh one, no? Now that one, they fresh. Wait. Wait. Give me from here. No vex.
Na the same thing, na the same thing.
No, my friend say no be the same thing.
I say na the same thing.
Na the same shop. Na the same bag, na the same thing. I just dey.
This one how much?
1,000.
So no 500.
They fit divide them before, but how much?
Now 1,000 now full.
Eh?
This one now full.
How much?
1,000. 1,000. This one.
Center. You don't go even know where you come from. See you even here. You don't know say that my own be that.
I beg man now.
Mama, this tomato yesterday now 225. As today 2,000. Less pepper on me.
Mommy, your guests sit there around you.
No, we don't want to blend anything.
Let them know.
We don't blend. We get blender. Party.
Okay, pepper. Yeah, we don't buy it. We entered here now. I did not see you. We bought pepper. That's what I'm saying now. We need to divide.
So this one gonna be how much now?
This one 3.
Which one is the price? This one's gonna.
You said 2,000.
You don't give us 1,500. How much will you say the basket of this?
10,000. 11,000.
For one basket?
12. It depends on
This
the
one
type.
12,000. This one no go.
7,500.
For this basket now.
Yes, now. It's not being I buy so.
There is problem.
Where my picking them?
Where the one where you cut?
This one you go there, okay.
Eh? That one big.
It big.